Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today we will be using our local rum for a rum cocktail that is from the Iguana on the Park restaurant down in Avondale. This is a local rum from Jacksonville, Florida called Reif Rum. It's tropical rum, nice, sweet, smoky rum. Really good rum, especially for making drinks with. But anyway, we're going to start off with 2 ounces of our rum. Next, we're going to go half an ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. The next, we're going to go with another half ounce of a banana liqueur. This is why this is called the banana hammock. All right, next we're going to go with another half ounce of Orgeat Syrup. Last, we're going to go with another half ounce of the Demerara Syrup. Simple syrup, which is a nice, rich, simple syrup. You can make your own or you can buy some. Anywho. Get a little ice in our stir glass. Give this a stir. Next, I'm gonna, oh, you can smell the bananas. I'm gonna strain this in my glass of ice. If you want to make it pretty, you can put like a dry banana on it or whatever. I'm gonna go with a little orange, a little dried orange on top of mine. And there you have it, a Hunter's banana hammock. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. It's because it's like, it tastes of banana, the lemon's in the background. It all pairs nicely with this rum, which is a tropical rum, right? This is a really good drink. Wow. I really like this. I'm going to have to go to Iguanas. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.